I went to California expecting to see a blue and sunny sky, and I thought nothing could stand in the way of the fast-paced city of Los Angeles. Yet Storm Lucifer proved me wrong. The sky was weeping. Palm trees swayed with the wind while raindrops danced on windows. Traffic lights turned dull, and wheels made the flooded streets jump. Faces were now hidden under the umbrellas that had been tucked away since 2014, when officials declared a drought state of emergency. As the rain began to stop, more people showed up on the gloomy streets of LA. However, some still avoided the outdoors until the sun returned.